bullet. I mean, BB.
Why not?
Cause that thing small is, I don't know. I don't have it. If I was nowhere over here when you shot at DeAndre. Oh, wait. It's recording us. Oh, hi. Rob. DeAndre. Dewan be here trying to look for his BB. Alright, our big names.
I'll shoot your rabbit mom.
Oh, you know they can see that name. Shut up.
Son. No, that was just a preview.
What we might do tonight. Anyway.
You mean that he means today, he means never.
Shut up. Anyway.
Okay.
Anyway, we're gonna be dunking. Just regular dunks. No.
Let's start this junk over.
Let's not do this. Cause this is no.
Awkward.
DeAndre is stupid. He's just like grown-ups. Like
Stop this junk.
You ain't gonna find that bullet. I mean, BB. Hello? You outside? Okay.